Garmin surprised fans with the launch of the Venu X1, a sleek, powerful smartwatch that rivals the Apple Watch Ultra 2. But despite its cutting-edge features, the X1 doesn't appear to be the true successor to the Venu 3. That title likely belongs to the upcoming Venu 4. Garmin Venu 4. Release date and price predictions. Model launch. Date starting price Venu 2 April 2021 $399, $349, $649 Venu. 3 August 2023 $450. 450 0749 Venu 4, rumored August Sept 2025 450 450 0749 based on Garmin's release history. August or September 2025 seems like a smart bet for the Venu 4's debut. Pricing is expected to stay in the mid-range bracket, making it a solid choice between the premium Phoenix series and the budget-friendly Forerunners. Garmin Venu 4. Leaks and rumors. A brief mention of the Venu 4 appeared on Garmin Japan's website, in reference to its golf app, hinting at golf tracking capabilities. Though the reference was quickly removed, it's a strong sign that the Venu 4 is real and coming soon. Garmin Rumors also notes that the Venu series is overdue for a refresh, especially since the Fenix 8 launched in August 2024. Add to that the Venu X1's massive display and design shift, and it's clear Garmin is evolving fast. Garmin Venu 4. Features we want to see. Here are 5 upgrades we're hoping to see in the Venu 4.1. Sleeker, more durable design. The Venu X1 introduced a thinner, lighter build with titanium elements. We'd love to see similar materials and a refined bezel on the Venu 4, along with an upgraded AMOLED display. Next-gen sensors. The Venu 3 uses Garmin's Elevate V5 sensor, but it's time for a leap forward. Enhanced accuracy and new health metrics could make the Venu 4 a game-changer for fitness tracking. Advanced software features, Garmin's suggested workouts and training readiness, are missing from the Venu 3. Adding these to the Venu 4 would boost its appeal for serious athletes and casual users alike. Built-in mapping and navigation. The lack of onboard maps in the Venu 3 was a letdown. With Google Maps integration appearing in other Garmin models, we're hoping the Venu 4 finally brings native route navigation. Cellular connectivity. Imagine a Garmin watch that can call, text, and stream without a phone nearby. A cellular Venu 4 would be a bold move, putting it head-to-head with the Apple Watch lineup. The Garmin Venu 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartwatch releases of 2025. With design upgrades, smarter features, and possibly even cellular support, it could redefine what a mid-range wearable can do.